Alright, so real quick.
Yes.
Now where are we going?
Pack of whistling chasers. You get 8 of them for $2. And then got some of the magic comets. This things fly in the air, and I don't know, change color or what they do exactly, but anyway. Then my brother-in-law, he got some crackling crazy groundhogs, little spinners that crackle out. He got a little mini monster fountain, and something from TNT called Fiery Echo. Let's see here. Let this fiery echo call you to a 4-stage fountain that whistles into the night with gold, blue, silver stars crackle in air. Echo back the effect with another dazzling duration. Sounds like it might be pretty neat. And he also got a thing of the
Magic comets.
Magic comets.